Hey everyone, welcome to Two Car Pros. My name is Ryan, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to change the windshield wipers for a 2022 Tesla Model 3. This is a really easy one, so let's jump in.
So the first thing we need to do is access this menu on our screen, go to Service, select that, and then right here, Wiper Service Mode, and that will put the wipers up a bit so we can actually access them. Otherwise, you will ruin the back of the front trunk.
So now we're going to replace our wipers. Now I'm going to start on the driver's side, and you can lift the arm up a little bit, and you'll notice it's not like a traditional car where it can kind of fold up and it holds itself. You actually have to physically hold it. Just a little bit of an inconvenience, but that's all right. So then we can push right here on this square and just push it away from you. There we go. Yeah, not too bad. And then be really careful at this moment. You don't want to just let go of this arm because it will probably crash into your windshield and break it. So just be very careful. You can even put a towel down if you're extra paranoid. Here's our replacement wiper. There's the part number for you. Now this is an actual Tesla OEM part. It comes in like this from Tesla. However, I did notice online there's a lot of cheaper alternative wipers because these were pretty darn pricey and they're just windshield wipers. So I will put a link down below in the description to the Tesla ones and a more affordable option. So you just line it up in its slot like this. You can even push the little square down and just pull it towards you, being careful that you don't break your windshield. There we go. Does require a fair bit of force. Just be careful because again, you don't want to lose control. And then gingerly place it back on the windscreen. And the same thing for the passenger side, just lift it off of the windscreen like this. And then on that square, just go ahead and push that and pull towards you if you're standing on the passenger side of the car. Takes a little bit of wiggling. I found that kind of wiggling it like this as you're pulling it out makes it really easy. And again, we're gonna be very gentle with this. Here is our passenger side, and they are different sizes. If that wasn't completely obvious, there's different sizes for the passenger and the driver. A lot of cars are that way. And again, I will leave a link down below in the description to the official Tesla part if you want to go that route or a cheaper alternative. Pick that back up, and we're gonna go ahead and just slide that in until we see that square pop back out. Maybe give it a little jiggle, make sure it's not gonna fly out of there. Nope, looks great. And then just gingerly lower it back down onto the windscreen like that. And then don't forget to go back into your service and deselect the wiper service, and that will put the wipers back down into their homes, and the job's all done. So that is how to change the windshield wipers for a 2022 Tesla Model 3. This is absurdly easy. Do not pay anybody to do this for you. You are more than capable of doing this. It didn't take any tools, as you saw, and it's something you can do in a driveway, a parking lot, on the side of the road, whenever, wherever, however. So this is really something anybody can do. If you found this video helpful or interesting at all, please consider becoming a member down below. It's a direct way to help the channel out if you like what I do here. Otherwise, a like, subscription, and comment go a long way in helping my channel out on the algorithm. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time.